Hello everyone, so on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea called Self-Created Dictionary from Self-Learning by the Innovative Teachers of Sikkim. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Helen Keller from NCERT Class 5 Chapter 15, and the subject is English. The time duration for the activity is 20 minutes but also depends on the strength of the class. This innovation is to enhance the vocabulary of the student based on the concept associated to the story through the formation of a dictionary in a due course of time. The concept is to revise the vocabulary, and for this activity teacher instructs the student to create a dictionary in following manner. Ask the student to read the lesson at home, note down the difficult words in old notebook, and ask your family members for their meanings or look them up in the dictionary. For example, student finds a word from the chapter that are substitute, disabled, deep, autobiography, and bachelor. Then they add some. Then they find the meaning from. Then they ask their parents for the meaning of these words, or if their parents can't answer, then they look up in the dictionary. So the meaning of the word substitute is a person or thing acting or serving in a place of another. The meaning of the word disabled is having a physical or mental condition that limits their movement, senses, or activities. The meaning of the word deaf is lacking the power of hearing. The meaning of the word autobiography is an account of person's life written by that person. And the meaning of the word bachelor is a man who is not or has ever been married. And then conclude the activity by appreciating the student and motivating them to study and to explore more new words from the lesson. Through this innovative idea, the student will learn to answer coherently in written or oral form to question in English based on day-to-day life experiences, unfamiliar story, poem, heard or read. They will use meaningful, grammatically correct sentences to describe and narrate incidents and for framing questions. And they will use the dictionary for reference. They will learn the keywords and also are able to use them in their speech and writing. This idea acts as a tool to enable the pedagogy practice for promoting the thinking process, decision making, and critical reflection. Core life skills that can be included while playing this game are critical thinking and decision making. Values that can be touched upon are patience, the ability to wait or to continue doing something despite difficulties, and gratitude. Children with learning abilities show improvement in executive functioning like planning, self-monitoring, etc. Slow learners will be motivated to participate and learn through teamwork. This activity will help in improving their confidence. For this activity, that's all. I hope you like the video, and if you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI, and you can download our ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.